Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Weekend Today in Central New York. We've got a chilly and breezy weekend on tap. Temperatures are barely going to be budging from the mornings to the afternoons both days. But today looks nicer in the fact that we'll get more sun, dry conditions. However, we've got some cloudy and wet weather on the way for Sunday. And we're keeping an eye on a few more weather systems rolling through this week, keeping an eye on the holiday forecast as Thanksgiving approaches this Thursday. Starting with this morning, things are nice and dry outside as we take a live look from our triple Doppler radar, sponsored by Fossil Service experts. Temperatures are in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees, and we'll warm up maybe another 5 degrees. That's about it. This is because of a cold front that rolled through this morning, which brought us some extra clouds, but really not much wet weather, and it's now exiting out to sea. Behind it, this colder air lingers for the entire weekend, but sunshine will gradually develop as the clouds will break apart going through today. But that is short-lived because looking ahead to Sunday, we've got another weather system that's going to drop right into the middle of central New York, bringing some widespread rain and snow showers. So let's time this out with your futurecast. Right now, we've got a mostly cloudy sky, but some peaks of sun between the clouds and temperatures starting around 40 degrees. The warmest it gets is the lower 40s midday, and that's also when areas along and to the north of the Thruway will start to see some sun breaking out. Areas south of the Thruway hanging onto the clouds a bit longer. It's not until the late afternoon that areas to the south of Syracuse will start to see that sun breaking out. But temperatures will drop through the second half of the day, back into the 30s by late afternoon and hovering there as we go overnight. We'll have increasing clouds after sunset as our next weather system gets closer, becoming cloudy towards midnight, but still staying dry at least until sunrise. That's when we'll see some sprinkles and flurries developing early on Sunday, becoming steadier rain showers as we go through the day, mixing in with some wet snow for the highest elevations only, but really little to no accumulation. And temperatures, once again, only reaching the lower 40s as we head into the afternoon. Towards the evening, we'll get some lake effect rain showers developing right in the heart of central New York, in Syracuse and along the Thruway, continuing until about midnight. Then after that, tapering to just some lingering sprinkles and flurries, but should be completely dry by sunrise on Monday. In terms of snowfall amounts, really not much. Lower elevations, nothing. Hill towns may be up to a coating to an inch for areas by Tully, Cortland, Marathon, Hamilton, Norwich, the Tug Hill, and the Adirondacks. So to sum up your weekend forecast, today decreasing clouds, chilly and breezy, high of 44. Tomorrow, cloudy with rain and snow showers, little to no accumulation, and still pretty chilly, a high of only 43. The weather does get nicer looking ahead to the start of the work week. Morning clouds shed away to afternoon sun on Monday, highs still a bit chilly in the mid-40s. Climbing, though, as we go towards middle of the week. Cloudy with scattered rain showers on Tuesday, upper 40s, and staying in the 40s overnight as a warm front rolls through. Then a cold front on Wednesday will bring a line of rain late afternoon to evening. We'll be in the upper 50s, though, before that rain arrives. Behind that cold front, chilly conditions for Thursday and Friday. Lake effect snow develops in central New York for both days. Exactly where it sets up is a bit uncertain, but right now it does look to be heavy with windy conditions, so we'll have to watch that. Nicole?